Hello! Here we will give you a tour of Alchemie's Epiphany Dashboard. You will enter the same email and password that you used to set up your account in the Mechanisms application, either from your iOS or your Android device. Now, once you have signed into the dashboard, you can go ahead and create your first class. Click on the Add New Class button on the left side of the window to begin. Enter the class name along with the description and gather your users by entering in the course code. This is the same course code students entered via the Mechanisms app. Now, if you don't have a course code for your students, you will need to fill out the form in the description below, and we will set one up for you. Go ahead and save your class. Now that you have created your class, you can view and edit it. Let's go ahead and view it first. When you view a class, then you can add a new assignment. Now you're in the assignment editor. This allows you to choose from any of the available puzzles in the Mechanisms app. The puzzle categories are arranged in alphabetical order. Enter the title, due date, and then select a puzzle category and choose any number of the puzzles for the assignment. You can even choose from multiple categories for the same assignment. Accidentally click on one? Don't worry, you can re-click the puzzle to deselect it. After you are finished, tap on Save Assignment on the bottom left of the window. This will then take you back to the class view where you can see your new assignment under Class Standings, which includes assignments, scores, and the ability for the standings to be exported as a CSV. If you click on the clipboard next to the assignment, a window will pop up, which will allow you to copy and paste the assignment into your learning management system or in an email to your students. If you click on a specific assignment, you will be able to see the score each student earned in the Mechanisms app, the puzzle number, and the category type, which is displayed using the color key below your list of students. By going to the Edit Assignment button, you can change the title, due date, and select or deselect puzzles that are in the Mechanisms app. If you want to view your account information, you can simply click on Account on the navigation bar on the upper right part of the window. You can view your account information and access our support center for both the dashboard and the Mechanisms app. Please subscribe to our channel. Check out www.alchem.ie for tips and posts about using mechanisms in your class, and feel free to reach out with any questions. Thanks.